Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's been a little while since our last update on the Water Street parking garage, otherwise known as the Boscovs garage by locals. It's right behind me, and we're going to take a walk around and check it out. Before we get started, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and if you're really interested in helping the channel out, there's links down in the description, and you can now join the channel as a member, which gives you a few exclusives. So yeah, let's get started. Let's take a look. So this is the back side of the garage here where you used to exit, and the loading docks are further down that way. This was one of the last ramps you would go down before exiting the garage over there. Like I was just saying. Wow, you can hear them really knocking the hell out of this thing. So it doesn't look like from this angle that they've made a lot of progress, but they actually really have. There's also a lot more equipment here than there was during my last update. I had driven by on several other occasions, and they kept having issues with the hydraulic claw. Like they had removed it several times and had to replace it or work on it. But it looks like they're doing pretty good right now. Let's keep walking and see if we can get some different looks at it. This is the corner of Henry and Water Street. It's really impressive to me that they got that backhoe all the way up there on top of the rubble pile. I mean, I don't know why. It shouldn't be, but it is. Spot to watch. He's going for that big column right there. I think you would call that a header. Lot of rebar in this thing. That can't be easy to work with. All the rebar, it really just totally looks like a nightmare to deal with. All this smoke coming out of this thing. Now they're spraying water on it to try and keep the dust down that you're seeing coming out of it. But I'd imagine it's just impossible to prevent, you know, a good majority of it. thing down at this rate.